So I got the Noctua fans. These are actually like their budget line of fan, which for all the computer guys, the Noctua stuff's supposed to be one of the better fans on the market, but this is a budget deal I had, so I figured I'd give that a try for a row station. So, and it is 140 millimeter Noctua. And this is the, can't remember what they call the connectors. I think this is the 4-pin deal. I think the difference of that is it allows for, oh goodness, the 4th pin allows for like a thermistor or something, another sort of control. So this is the Noctua NFP14 Redo. PWM, that's the connector. In case you're curious. Not that it matters, but there's the stats. New frame design. Wasn't that nice? Let's see here. So I got the gaskets here off of FrozenCPU.com. It's just old stuff I got straight from China. But anyway. So that. Nice. Seems like a silicone gasket. But it should do the job. Alright, there's the station fans installed. Each shelf. Try to figure out that power supply and get them powered. Well, I got Steph's fans installed. I think they turned out nice. Check them out, aren't they quiet? I don't know if you can hear it or not. Let's check it out. The lights have since cut off on the timer. But just got them kind of cranking kind of low right now to break the plants in so it doesn't just bludgeon them to death. Close up action so you can hear. I used a computer power supply to power them, and we've got a fan control speed deal. So they're cranked about halfway up right now. So yeah, I think she's pretty happy.